Hey everyone, and welcome back to Holistic Wellness Realm. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on living your healthiest life. Today, we're uncovering the secrets of a happy, healthy liver. Your liver is like a superhero, performing over 500 vital functions every day. It filters toxins, digests food, and produces energy, but it needs your help to stay strong and healthy. Your diet plays a crucial role. What you eat can be your liver's best friend or worst enemy. A healthy liver is a gift that keeps on giving. Did you know that certain foods can damage your liver over time? Just like junk food can make you feel sluggish, it can strain your liver. This can lead to fatigue, digestive issues, and fatty liver disease. But don't worry, simple diet changes can protect your liver. Like this video and leave a comment below. Tell us your favorite liver-healthy foods. Stay tuned for the top offenders and healthier alternatives. Before we jump into the foods to avoid, let's take a closer look at this amazing organ and truly appreciate all that it does for us. Imagine your liver as a busy little factory working tirelessly inside your body. It's responsible for so many important jobs, it's hard to keep track. One of the liver's main tasks is to filter your blood. Think of all the things your blood carries throughout your body: oxygen, nutrients, and unfortunately, sometimes toxins. Your liver acts like a giant sieve, removing harmful substances like alcohol, drugs, and other pollutants before they can cause any damage. But that's not all. Your liver also plays a crucial role in digestion. It produces bile, a special juice that breaks down fats in your food, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Without bile, your body wouldn't be able to digest those delicious, healthy fats we need for energy and cell growth. Remember how we talked about the liver filtering your blood? Well, it's incredibly efficient at its job, cleaning your entire blood supply multiple times every single day. It's like having a personal detoxifier working around the clock to keep your body free from harmful substances. But here's the thing, when we constantly bombard our liver with toxins from processed foods, environmental pollutants, and even certain medications, we're essentially overworking this incredible organ. Over time, this can lead to inflammation and damage, impairing the liver's ability to function properly. Think of it like this. Imagine your kitchen sink. If you continuously pour grease and food scraps down the drain without ever cleaning it, eventually it's going to get clogged, right? The same thing can happen to your liver if you're not careful about what you put into your body. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Now, your liver is a trooper, and it usually doesn't complain, even when it's working overtime. But there are signs and symptoms your body might give you if your liver is struggling. Have you ever experienced unexplained fatigue, even after a good night's sleep? Or maybe you've noticed changes in your digestion, like bloating, constipation, or even yellowing of your skin or eyes. These could all be subtle clues that your liver needs a little extra love and support. The good news is that your liver is incredibly resilient, and by making healthier choices, you can help it regenerate and function at its best. In the next section, we'll unveil the top foods that can harm your liver, so you can start making conscious choices to protect this vital organ. Okay, let's talk about sugar. We all love a sweet treat now and then, but did you know that too much sugar can be really hard on your liver? When we eat excessive amounts of sugar, our liver works overtime to process it. This can lead to a buildup of fat in the liver, a condition known as fatty liver disease. It's all about balance and moderation. By being mindful of our sugar intake and choosing healthier alternatives like whole fruits and vegetables, give this video a thumbs up if you're committed to making healthier choices. Next up, let's talk about trans fats, the villains of the fat world. Trans fats are created when liquid oils are turned into solid fats through a process called hydrogenation. They're often found in processed foods, fried foods, and baked goods, adding that desirable crispy texture and longer shelf life. But here's the catch. Trans fats are terrible for our health, especially for our liver. They can increase bad cholesterol levels, lower good cholesterol levels, and contribute to inflammation, putting a strain on our liver's ability to function properly. The good news is that many food manufacturers have started phasing out trans fats from their products. But it's always a good idea to check the nutrition labels and ingredient lists, especially for words like partially hydrogenated oil, which indicates the presence of trans fats. Opting for healthier fats like olive oil, avocados, and nuts is a much better choice for our overall health and well-being. Salt, friend or foe? Now let's talk about salt. Salt is an essential nutrient that our bodies need to function properly. It helps regulate fluids, transmit nerve impulses, and contract muscles. But just like with anything else, too much salt can be harmful to our health, particularly for our liver. When we consume excessive amounts of salt, our bodies retain water, leading to increased blood pressure. This can put extra stress on our liver, as it has to work harder to filter the blood and maintain a healthy balance of fluids. Over time, this can lead to liver damage and scarring. The good news is that reducing our salt intake is a relatively easy change we can make to protect our liver health. We can start by reading food labels carefully, as many processed foods contain hidden sources of sodium. We can also experiment with herbs and spices to add flavor to our food without relying on salt. Alcohol and your liver. Let's address the elephant in the room: alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is harmful to our health, and your liver is the primary organ responsible for metabolizing it. Every time we drink, our liver works extra hard. Excessive drinking can overload the liver, leading to conditions like fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. Moderation is key. Drink responsibly. Processed foods, a recipe for disaster. Processed foods often contain harmful ingredients. These include added sugars, unhealthy fats, and excessive sodium. They can cause inflammation and stress on our liver. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. This helps our liver function at its best. Share this video and spread the message of healthy living. Now that we've identified some of the main culprits lurking in our kitchens, let's dive deeper into how these dietary villains actually impact our liver health. One of the most common consequences of a diet high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and processed foods is fatty liver disease. Imagine your liver like a sponge. When we consume excess calories, especially from sugary drinks and processed foods, our liver converts these calories into fat, which can accumulate in the liver cells. Over time, this fat buildup can lead to inflammation and damage, impairing the liver's ability to perform its essential functions. The scary part? Fatty liver disease often doesn't cause any noticeable symptoms in its early stages. Many people don't even realize they have it until the condition has progressed to a more serious stage. That's why it's crucial to be mindful of our dietary choices and prioritize liver-healthy foods to prevent this silent threat from taking hold. Remember that inflammation we talked about earlier? Well, it's not just a minor inconvenience. It's a serious underlying factor in many chronic diseases, including liver disease. When our liver is constantly bombarded with toxins from processed foods, alcohol, and other harmful substances, it triggers an inflammatory response. Think of inflammation like a fire alarm going off in your body. It's a sign that something is wrong and needs attention. Short-term inflammation is a normal part of the body's healing process, but chronic inflammation can lead to cellular damage and increase the risk of serious health problems, including liver cirrhosis, a condition where healthy liver tissue is replaced by scar tissue. The good news? By reducing our intake of inflammatory foods and beverages and embracing a diet rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, we can help calm the fire within and support our liver's natural healing process. As we've seen, chronic inflammation can take a toll on our liver health, leading to the formation of scar tissue. This process, known as fibrosis, is like the body's way of trying to repair damage. However, over time, excessive scar tissue can interfere with the liver's ability to function properly. Imagine your liver like a well-organized city with roads and highways transporting essential nutrients and removing waste products. As scar tissue builds up, it's like setting up roadblocks and detours, disrupting the smooth flow of traffic and impairing the city's ability to function efficiently. In the early stages of fibrosis, the liver can often compensate for the damage, but as the condition progresses, it can lead to more serious complications, including cirrhosis and liver failure. That's why it's crucial to address liver health early on and make lifestyle changes to prevent further damage. When our liver is struggling, it can impact our overall health in countless ways. One of the liver's primary functions is to filter toxins from our blood. But when the liver is damaged, it can't perform this task effectively, allowing toxins to build up in the bloodstream. This can lead to a condition called hepatic encephalopathy, where toxins accumulate in the brain, causing confusion, disorientation, and even coma. Additionally, a damaged liver can struggle to produce enough bile, essential for digesting fats and absorbing fat-soluble vitamins. This can lead to nutrient deficiencies, digestive problems, and an increased risk of gallstones. Moreover, the liver plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels, producing blood clotting factors, and metabolizing medications. When these functions are impaired, it can have widespread implications for our health and well-being. The good news is that our liver is incredibly resilient and has an amazing capacity for regeneration. By making healthier choices, we can support our liver's natural healing process and prevent further damage. But how do we know if our liver needs a little extra love? While fatty liver disease and other liver problems often don't cause noticeable symptoms in their early stages, there are some subtle signs our body might give us if our liver is struggling. These include unexplained fatigue, yellowing of the skin or eyes, jaundice, abdominal pain, or swelling, loss of appetite, nausea, and dark urine. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's essential to consult with your doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Remember, early detection and intervention are key to preventing serious liver problems and maintaining optimal liver health. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier, more vibrant life. Now that we've covered the foods that can harm your liver, let's shift gears and explore the delicious and nutritious foods that can help it thrive. Remember that superhero analogy? Well, just like every superhero needs a healthy diet to stay strong, your liver relies on certain nutrients to function at its best. One of the best things you can do for your liver is to include plenty of fiber-rich foods in your diet. Fiber acts like a scrub brush for your digestive system, helping to remove waste products and toxins that can accumulate over time. Excellent sources of fiber include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. Another liver-loving nutrient is protein. Protein provides the building blocks for cell growth and repair, essential for maintaining a healthy liver. Include lean protein sources in your diet, such as fish, chicken, beans, lentils, tofu, and low-fat dairy products. Remember those antioxidants we mentioned earlier? Well, they're like little superheroes themselves, fighting off harmful free radicals that can damage our cells, including liver cells. The good news is that nature provides us with an abundance of antioxidant-rich foods in a rainbow of vibrant colors. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which have been shown to protect the liver from damage. Green leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support liver function. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain compounds that help the liver detoxify harmful substances. And let's not forget about beets. Beets are a good source of betalains, powerful antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory and liver protective properties. We've talked about the importance of a healthy diet, but there's another crucial element to supporting your liver health: hydration. Water is essential for all bodily functions, and your liver is no exception. It needs water to flush out toxins, transport nutrients, and maintain its overall health. When we don't drink enough water, our bodies become dehydrated, which can put a strain on our liver. Dehydration can make it harder for the liver to perform its detoxification processes, potentially leading to a buildup of toxins. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, ideally 8 glasses or more. You can also stay hydrated with other healthy beverages like herbal teas, infused water with fruits and herbs, and low-sugar electrolyte drinks, especially after exercise or when you're sweating a lot. So there you have it. We've journeyed through the incredible world of your liver, uncovering its vital roles and the foods that can either help it thrive or hinder its incredible work. Remember, your liver is a silent warrior, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you healthy. By making conscious choices about what we eat and drink, we empower ourselves to become our liver's best friend. Embrace whole, unprocessed foods, fill your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, stay hydrated, and listen to your body's signals. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Holistic Wellness Realm for more empowering health tips. Here's to a happy, healthy liver and a vibrant, thriving you.